Hey guys, today it is Monday the 6th of April and it's currently 11:05 in the morning. There's beautiful mountains, don't know what you can see because I can't see. The sun just went behind clouds, great. Today... That dog scared me. I can't even see it, so it's even scarier. Anyway, today we're gonna go try and find the Jacobite train, also known as the Hogwarts Express, the original one, used in the movies, Harry Potter movies, that is, but we're not sure where it is, but it's been banned from moving. We kind of know where it is, but we're not sure. And then we're gonna go to some coast or something. We should have left like ages ago, but I just finished getting ready, so yeah. It is so weird, the weather. It's supposed to rain all the time in Scotland. And I'm outside in a t-shirt. And I'm fine. Shut up, dog, seriously. Hey, oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Banana potato. Banana. Ba 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 banana ba 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 banana ba 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 banana potato. Hey guys, so we're back now. It's 6:10 and we never saw the train because no one in my family bothered to check whether it's actually here. Like, it's literally always here in Scotland. But because in between, or like between, I think it's June and August, that's when it's only running. So every other time, when it's not running, it's not actually here in Scotland, and no one bothered to check that. I checked the place where it is, and I got Jesson Way, and then when we started to check where Jesson Way is, we couldn't find it, so my dad went to ask at the train station. Turns out Jesson Way is in Lancaster, North England, so that's where it is, and that's where it will be. Until June. Hey guys, it's 9:15, oh god, ignore my eyes. Anyway, it's 9:15, I've been watching I'm in 3, and because of the slow internet here, I've been pausing every now and then first I was just on my phone, then I started doing my English story writing because screw school, but I still need to, you know, do stuff for it, because, I feel really cold because I'm wearing these socks because my shoes got wet, so my socks were wet. And I don't have any spare socks.
But yeah, we still haven't had dinner, but I can tell my dad's making it.
Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Gonna see. Has it loaded? It's loaded quite a bit. I can watch out. Bye! Hey guys, so now it's 10 o'clock. I just started saving the vlog. So I'm going to go get ready for bed now, and hopefully it'll be saved by the time I'm ready for bed, so then I can just put it to upload. But I'm going to end today's vlog here. I have no clue what we're doing tomorrow. It actually depends on the weather. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Oh. Bye!